Here we are on an exclusive boat trip. He's looking away again, the old tour guide, you see. He gets a bit shy of the camera. There you are. So we're going, where are we going to? We're going somewhere. We're either going to Ferrara Rocha or Portimao. You see? Portimao. Shut up, you. He's lived here for a year. His Portuguese is going to be better, isn't it? But as you can see, there's your background. Lovely breeze. Just, and you can see this good sound that row the boat gently by the sea.
I'm glad I wasn't the only one started grabbing on the car.
You didn't get scared then, did you?
A little bit.
I'm not joking, I did that spin. When he was going straight down, you had it like bars, and I'm not joking,
So, that's his review.
You have a sick bag.
We will come back. A bit more on our camera. So, we've just passed Portimao, haven't we? Yeah? Looking? He's not saying a lot. So we've just passed Portimao.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that. Hold on, let's go out the back here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's two shades.
Can you see the stalk on the crane?
Yeah.
Stalk on the crane. I know, yeah.
Ah.
And you can see there on the chimney there. The stalk on the crane? Yeah, you did.
There we are.
Very good on that many chimneys too, because very good is a fishing work, you know, on the fishing. And all the chimneys are historical. Very nice.
Right. Yeah. He's on. He's on. He's letting him drive. Got to be me next.
Okay, now straight.
Yeah, straight ahead. Just don't crash. Your mum's not going to believe this one.
Where is the gas inside? Where is the gas inside? Where is the gas go? Don't put your hands.
Keep it nice and straight, please, mate. Over to the left, please.
Slow,
Yeah, keep it nice and slow.
fast. Yes.
Play it nice and cool.
Okay.
We don't trust him on a bicycle in England.
That's well good.
Here we are. Come a little pause. Coming along nicely. That's it. Lovely views.
You look how many people it's all this mess.
Like a factory, mate. Huh? So yeah, it's just us on the boat. Yeah, we've got the reserve driver here, the tour guide. on us. Here we go. He's having a funny spell again. He's getting on a bit, isn't he? Yes, he's mad funny spells. Well, we're going over to Praia de Rocha next, isn't it? Praia de
Yeah.
something like that. Anyway, I'll pause this a bit.
Bit interesting.
Oh, we're not recording it, was I? I've been chatting away.
The guy from the
Oh, dear. I wasn't recording it, was I? The lovely beach there, Playa de Rocha. It's a couple of private bits,
Yeah.
didn't it? Unfortunately, I forgot to press record, so we didn't record half of what we thought we'd recorded. And look, ship ahoy.
You can't see it, you know.
Okay, that a fast private, okay. In other words,
Yes. Yeah, you keep half of it open and have your bit.
Windsor, you
Yeah.
say?
Yeah, have your bit.
Yes, Windsor, if I want to see Windsor.
So, okay,
Yeah. Yeah, love it.
happy?
Yeah.
Just going through. Where are we going to next?
We'll go back. Yeah, we just had something to eat.
Oh, I get it. I see how it works. So we've gone all the way round.
Yeah, we just didn't get off. If you want to go there, you get off there. If you want to get off on this one, you get off there. We
So,
didn't have to go,
yeah,
'cause
we've gone all the way round, haven't we?
He didn't stop at the running pool because he knew we weren't getting off. There must be something important now.